Let me put on these glasses and I will tell you how it works. And here's a little demo for you everyone to watch how it works. Hey Meta, take a video. So this is how it looks when you take video. When I wear this, that means I'm ready to seize the moment. So capturing what I see, and then you can see kung ano makikita ko, makikita nyo rin sa mga mata kong ito. Power Sunglasses by Ray-Ban Meta. Like it now. I'm enjoying it, especially when I like to vlog anywhere. So this is a transition. It turns dark when you go outside by the sun. But since I'm here inside the house, so that's why it looks white. So that's all for now. I can share. And when I'm doing this, I'm taking a video with myself. Alright? Bye. Peace. Love. You guys take care.